was talking to you last week, you did mention this particular point, but I'm very happy that you this time you really detailed and gave us some more information. You also happened to mention another word, kaya something, kaya.
Kaya kalpa.
Kaya
Kalpa exercise.
Kaya kalpa. The only kalpa we know is this word kalpa in our Rotary. I would like to get to know kaya also. Tell me about kaya. Both of kaya and kalpa. Okay. What is kaya kalpa?
See, Deepakji, kaya means body, we all know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what we have to understand, I will again connect it with a kalpa vraksham, if you have read in our Vedas and all, Kalpa vraksha is supposed to be a wish-fulfilling tree, So when we say Kaya Kalpa is an exercise which was developed, practiced for 40 years by a Maharshi called Vedatri Maharshi.
Mm-hmm.
He brought this Kaya Kalpa exercise to the world. Now, this Kaya Kalpa exercise, I would like to talk a little more because let every fellow Rotarian, let everyone get benefited by this exercise. Kaya Kalpa exercise is a process of reversing your age. Can you believe it? At the age of 40, you will look like 30. Trust me. Provided you practice this exercise every day. Now, this is not to look young. It is a belief of Siddhas that Kaya Kalpa can give you that kind of strength and power that you can postpone your death also. Is it to believe? But you can. This will boost your immunity like anything. Before I talk about Kaya Kalpa, I would like to tell you that it really has amazing benefits. Again, I guarantee, I challenge my viewers, please make a blood test done right now. Whenever it is right now, meaning this is a lockdown period, so you cannot do, but whenever you want to do, please do a test, complete blood test, see your report. And after that, only you start practicing this Kaya Kalpa exercises. I'll tell you how to do it. Then you start doing this Kaya Kalpa exercise. And just after 6 months, please redo your blood test. You will be surprised to see the miraculous changes in your own report. You don't need any proof anymore. Your thyroid or your, hemoglobin, any kind of a thing will automatically improve. Any kind of a disease that you have, you feel, oh, I had this problem earlier, but now I don't have this. I used to feel very low, but I don't feel low anymore. I used to get angry at people unnecessarily. I used to get worried for so many things. I am not doing that. So I would say this is one solution for many problems. Try it out. Now,
can you give me a demonstration, or
I'll tell you. See,
what
in this,
how does one do it?
Okay. See, the best part is that Kaya Kalpa exercise needs only 10 to 12 minutes in whole day of yours.
Okay.
This is done in 2 parts, morning and again in the evening.
Okay.
In the morning, there are 3 poses. And in the evening, there are only 2 poses, right? Which you are supposed to do before your dinner. And overall, morning, evening together will take only 12 minutes of yours. Isn't it so easy to really hear that 12 minutes, all that, right? Now, this Kaya Kalpa is comprised of 2 things. One is the Ashwini Mudra. Now, what is Ashwini Mudra? I'll talk about it. One is Ashwini Mudra and second is Ojas breathe. Breathing you must have heard, pranayama you must have heard, but there is something called Ojas breathe. Not many people know about it. Not many people talk about it. This is something, came in South and it is still there. Right? But this is one thing, natural exercise, natural healing, which you can cure yourself. So let me continue. It is done with the help of 2 things. One is Ashwini Mudra. Second is Ojas breathe. Now, how you should do is, right? Ashwini Mudra is basically, you sit down in any position that you feel like, right? Let me just talk about Ashwini Mudra first. You sit down the way you want. And what you need to do is, you need to breathe out heavily, exhale heavily, like this. And at the same time, you need to contract your anal muscles. Simultaneously, you need to breathe out and contract your anal muscles. This is called Ashwini Mudra. This you can do anytime, any number of times during the day. You're sitting with anyone, you are on a camera, people will not even know. See, I'm smiling, but I already did 3 times. Nobody could notice that I've already finished 3 times Ashwini Mudra. So Ashwini Mudra is breathe out and simultaneously, while breathing out, you contract your anal muscles. When you contract the anal muscles, the kind of biological changes happen inside your body is the science behind it. I would like to connect this Ashwini Mudra with Ashwin. If you have heard, Ashwin is a Sanskrit word which has come from horse. The Sanskrit name of horse is Ashwin.
Yeah.
And if you guys notice, please notice whenever you get an opportunity, please notice, watch carefully the horse, the backside, the anal muscle of horse. Horse keep on doing this contraction whole day, like this, like this, like this. And that is the reason horse gets never old. And there is a saying, ki ghoda kabhi budha nahi hota hai. This is the science behind it. And from that science, these Siddhas have taken this up, Ashwini Mudra. And our Vedas also talk about it. So this is how Ashwini Mudra came. If you do Ashwini Mudra alone, this will keep you young. Your skin will glow like anything. Start practicing. You can do any number of times. When you do, you should do one cycle of 10 times, at least 10 times. You can do it 100 times, 200 times, 500 times in the whole day. There is no limitation. The more you do, better for you, right? So Ashwini Mudra alone can be done. But when we come to Kaya Kalpa, as I told you, it's a combination of Ashwini Mudra and Ojas Breathe. So how do you do it? Just listen to me very carefully. For details, they can go to my YouTube channel, which is Sapna YoFit. I have demonstrated there. They can see the complete videos, how to do it. But let me explain to my viewers here. One is a standing position. You need to keep your hands on your, just on the side of waist. Stand and jump with your foot by making a V shape. Okay? And breathe out. Make Ashwini Mudra and do this 10 times continuously. When you do this 10 times continuously, and when you are on a 10th round, you are supposed to do Ojas Breathe simultaneously. This will complete one Kaya Kalpa. You have to do Ojas Breathe. Now, what is Ojas Breathe? Simple. Ojas Breathe is you tighten your teeth like this. Yes, very good. Tighten your teeth like this. After tightening your teeth, what you need to do is just breathe out heavily. You see, this is Ojas Breathe. एक राज की बात बताऊं आपको.
My wife does that sometimes. My wife does that sometimes.
Great, great. See, what happens is,
whenever she's angry at me, she tightens the teeth. Go on, go on. Then.
Okay. All right. See, if you want to eat something fried, something which we always see, no, we should not be eating this. It's not healthy. See, kabhi-kabhi chalta hai, right? So if you want to eat anything, just do Ojas Breathe before eating. Remember, it will not infect you. Anything you can eat, but whenever you eat, I suggest whatever you eat, if it is possible for you, even I do publicly also, people don't know. If it is possible for you, you are sitting at a dining table, wherever you are, when you eat, just before eating, please do this Ojas Breathe once.
Can you again just explain Ojas Breathe for those who might have missed out?
Ojas Breathe is very simple. What you need to do is you need to tighten your teeth like this. Okay? As I told you, when we are doing Kaya Kalpa, we do 10 rounds of Ashwini Mudra continuously, one after the other. And on the 10th round, you hold your contraction. Don't release it. Because how we do it? I exhaled and I contracted my anal muscle, then release while inhaling. When you inhale, you release that because you need to do that, right? Then do the second round. Imagine this is an Allen, right? Like this. So
Hmm.
you're doing it. So when it comes to 10th round, don't release anymore. Do the Ojas breathe here. Tighten your teeth and breathe out while tightening.
Hmm.
And then slowly release.
Wow.
This is one round of Kaya Kalpa.
Okay.
Similarly,
Does
we have, I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you. Similarly,
No,
we
no.
have two more rounds of Kaya Kalpa, which they can go and see onto my YouTube channel, as I told you. But Kaya Kalpa, I mean, recommending strongly, please start doing it. You don't need to do anything. Just do Kaya Kalpa and you will see that all your diseases are saying bye-bye to you. Trust me. I will leave yoga if it doesn't happen.
I tried it right now, but I did get some pain in my stomach and my side muscles.
It will happen. It will happen when you are starting. It will happen. Don't worry. It is normal.
Okay.
Normal.
Would this have any effect on prostrate? Because a lot of men have a prostrate issue.
No, it will not. It will not. But yes, Kaya Kalpa should not be done by the people below 14 years of age or before puberty. And beyond 70, age of 70, people should not do Kaya Kalpa. It's a very good question, Deepanji, you asked me.
Okay.
I repeat, only people between 14 to 70 is what they should try Kaya Kalpa. Before puberty, Kaya Kalpa should not be done.
Okay.
And avoid during the time of menstruation cycle.
Okay.
Don't do this.
Would this help in becoming being sattvic?
Kaya Kalpa will not help you becoming sattvic, but yes, it is the pathway to that.
Okay.
It is a pathway to that because, see, when you're doing this, it is balancing your body inside. When your mind, soul, and body, all the three are balanced properly, you are on the path to sattvic. That's how it happens.